Welcome back to Standard 7 Biology class. In the last class, you have learned some characters of Rhizopus. Rhizopus is a type of fungus which is an organism included in kingdom fungi. Rhizopus is also called bread mold. When bread and fruits are kept for many days, the fungus bread mold or Rhizopus can be seen growing over it. The structure of Rhizopus has already been discussed in the previous class. Today, let's first discuss about nutrition in Rhizopus. You know, all living organisms need food to grow. How does a fungus get their food? The organisms belonging to the kingdom fungi are mostly saprophytic or parasitic in nature. So, Rhizopus is also saprophytic. That means they get their nutrients from dead or decaying material. So, they will be mostly seen growing on dead matter. Let's see how Rhizopus absorb the nutrients from dead matter. As we have discussed earlier, Rhizopus consists of thread-like filaments called hyphae. This hyphae grow and spread into the organic medium in which it grows. The organic medium in which Rhizopus grow can be stale bread, rotting fruits, pickles, etc. So, the Rhizopus penetrate into the medium and secrete certain enzymes into it. The enzymes are chemicals that digest the food particles and it is converted to simple nutrients. Do you know why the food is converted to simple form? If the food is in a complex form, it cannot be easily absorbed by the fungus. That is why the food is converted to simple nutrients with the help of enzymes so that it can easily be absorbed by the fungus. This is how the fungus Rhizopus get the nutrition from the medium. Next, let's see how respiration takes place in Rhizopus. Bread molds usually grow in humid places, that is, place where there is less moisture, air and sunlight. In the medium where the Rhizopus grows, there will be minute air chambers. In these air chambers, air will be present. Since the fungus grow in the atmosphere in which very less air is present, in order to get the oxygen, the fungus grow into these air pockets and they take in oxygen and gaseous exchange takes place. It also have the capacity to exchange gases with the open atmosphere. Hence, bread mold breathe aerobically, that is, it respires, taking in oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide. So, you have learned some characters of kingdom fungi and about Rhizopus or bread mold as an example of fungus. Do you know how the fungus is useful to us? It is useful in many ways. We shall discuss that now. The first way how the fungus is useful to us is it is used to make baking and alcoholic products. Baking products such as bread, cake, etc. are made by using a fungus called yeast. Yeast is a very important fungus in the baking industry. Bread and cake become soft and fluffy because of the action of yeast. Yeast carries out a process of fermentation and it is widely used for making baking products. Other than baking products, yeast is also used for making alcoholic beverages such as wine and beer. You know that grapevine is made from grapes. The juice of grapes is mixed with yeast and as a result of fermentation, grape wine is produced. In the same way, other fruits like plum, peaches, strawberry, etc. are also used to make wine. Beer is made from barley grains as a result of the same process. Another use of fungus is it is used to produce cheese of different varieties. The flavor and texture of cheese is mainly due to the action of fungus. Fungus is also used as food. Example, mushroom. Mushroom is a fungus which is cooked and different dishes are made from mushroom. Mushroom is very rich in nutrients, but all the species of mushrooms are not edible. Some are poisonous. They should not be eaten. Fungus is also used to make medicinal and commercial products. Antibiotics are medicines used to cure many diseases. Antibiotics such as penicillin and ampicillin is produced from a fungus called penicillium. A fungus named Aspergillus niger is used for the preparation of organic acids such as citric acid and gluconic acid. Aspergillus niger is also used to prepare soya sauce, which is used to make many dishes. Soya sauce is made from soya beans. Some fungus helps the plants to take up the mineral nutrients from the soil. These fungus grow in the roots of plants and absorb the minerals from soil and supply it to the plants. In return, the plant gives food to the fungus. So, these fungus is beneficial to the plants. This kind of relationship between plant roots and some fungus is called mycorrhiza. These fungus acts as biofertilizers. You learn that fungus mainly grows on dead matter, that is, they are saprophytic in nature. These fungus break down the dead matter and the nutrients reach the soil. So the fungus also helps in recycling of nutrients in the soil. So these are the different ways by which fungus is useful to us. Let's recall it once again. Fungus such as yeast is used in the making of products like bread, cake, wine and beer. It is used to produce cheese of different varieties. Fungus such as mushroom is used as food. Fungus like penicillium is used in the production of antibiotics such as penicillin and ampicillin. Fungus is also used in the preparation of organic acids such as citric acid. It is also used to prepare soya sauce from soya beans. Some fungus acts as biofertilizers which grow in the root of some plants and helps to absorb the minerals from it. Fungus also help in the recycling of nutrients. These are the different ways by which fungus is useful to us. In the same way, some fungus are harmful too. That will be discussed in the next class. Hope you have understood today's class. Thank you.